it's me. So it is Saturday morning, and you probably have already started to see the video, or if you watch the morning show on Fridays, then you would have seen the Recliner of Rage episode about the Blitz spin bike delivery that came by FedEx, which was done absolutely horribly. So you left it like that? Wow. Okay. FedEx, please do better. Please. So today, I'm going to be putting it together. It is now 9:34, according to the shop clock. So let's see how long it'll take for me to put this together. But in addition to that, let's hope that we have everything we need and that there is no damage. Okay? So hang with me. Almost 30 minutes in. And I will say, I never really make a mess like this, but because the way the box is and the way I had to get it out, sorry guys, it's kind of messy. But I need to get the feet on foot first, and then I can stand it up and then maybe clean up a little bit more. a nice cushy seat. That's actually really, really good. Excited about, because you have a lot of spin bikes that do not have a water cage, and I think this would be the most realistic to simulate if you're on like a road, like road cycling or trail cycling, to be able to reach down and still hydrate while moving. I'm gonna have to get canned air. I knew it wasn't losing my mind, but it lost my mind. I don't know if I was supposed to do that part or not, but I did. I do. I think I know where I left it. Yeah, boy. You guys even include with batteries. Right on. Clean up and test out.